Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Navita P. Thank you for joining me. I have another great video for you today. I have not been able to do my flea market video. I know there was a few that I was starting to do. You'll see it on my channel here. I have not been able to go back due to COVID. And so I wanted to show you another way to go around the flea market area if you're not able to go. Do some new thrifting, other ways. And so before I get into that, for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We're helping a new YouTuber out. I'm doing the best that I can to provide good information, and also take a look at my blog when you can. It's navitapblog.com. You can see it up in the upper left hand corner, and you can also see it down below in the description. I also have an Etsy shop, and you can see the handle below. All right, so let's take a look here. So the website I wanted to bring to you today, is storagetreasures.com, and there are auctions. They're an online auction, storage auctions they offer. Basically, you can find this online. You don't necessarily have to go in. These storage lockers are being auctioned online. All you have to do is put in a zip code and search. So let's go ahead and look at this. I typed in a random zip code so I can take a look at what units are available. So let's say there's a specific category of items you're looking for. You can actually click on what you think you're looking for and it will populate the results. So let's say I want to take a look at jewelry, because I'm a jewelry person and I sell jewelry. So let's take a look here. Scroll down and click update results. Okay, so it says private seller, Linden, New Jersey. There are boxes, furniture, TV, chairs, jewelry, mirrors. Let's take a look at this one. Click on the plus button and you can zoom in. So you can see on the box it says 2-piece cookie box. Okay. Is that a painting or looks like a piece of artwork? I'm not thrilled about the frame. There is some costume jewelry. I'm not sure what kind of watches that. Let's zoom in. Not really sure. Well, that's a good function of this website. You can actually zoom in. My eyes aren't that great, so I'm not sure if I can read that or if anybody can read what brand that is. I see some brand new items there. I wonder what kind of painting that is, but let's go back. Let's go back here. I'm wondering what's in this box. Okay, so we can click on the images and see what's available. Some old pictures. Painting. So the highest bid right now is $50. And this unit closes in 1 day, 16 hours, 26 minutes, 6 seconds. You get the point. So you'll see the countdown here. It'll tell you when it ends. And if we scroll down, these are the categories that they've added it to. Okay, so it says here manager special, and it gives you the auction rules. These are the notice to bidders. You can read this if you want more information about it. So let's go back. This one also says private seller. This one says private seller. So there's a bunch of them that are private sellers, or they're like this one. It says Cube Smart. So let's take a look at this one I was just looking at. What is this? And if you look here, it tells you where it's located. This one is in Woodside, New York, approximately 5 by 5. Cleaning deposit is $100. There is a sales tax, 0%, even better. Clean out time, you have to clean the locker out, is in 48 hours. And there's more information about the unit. So it says here the unit appears to contain toys, perfect Christmas lot, WWE, Thomas the Train, Nickelodeon, Legos, Mercedes, and more. It includes display stand, locker not included. So if you take a look here, it says it closes in one day, and there seems to be a ton of sellable products in here. They're on a shelf, so I'm assuming they were kept nicely. Look at that. There's some good toys here that can be sold. Legos is always a good option. This might have been another reseller. They have Roblox toys, so okay, this unit might be fairly new. Let's see here. And the highest bid is $10. So this seems like an interesting unit. Let's keep scrolling through the pictures. Baby Alive doll. I like seeing brand new products in these. They're worth more. A little candy machine. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right, I like that locker. Okay, I'm gonna just click off of the jewelry. I want to see if there's anything else. Like, let's say collectibles. I'm not a huge fan of collectibles. I mean, if there's something in there that I like. The collectible, look at this one. The high bid is $2,020. Collectible trading cards, motorbikes, bikes, gaming consoles. Wow, this one has a lot of good stuff. Pokemon's pretty big right now. Hey, I know those dolls. Raggedy Ann. Anybody like some Raggedy Ann dolls? It's pretty unique. Some golf clubs I see there. Okay, there's a lot of good stuff in here. But for two grand, that seems to be a lot. So let's go back. Okay. So there's also a help center. If you want to learn more, you have more information about it, you want to get more information about it, there's frequently asked questions, getting started. All the information you could possibly want to know about Storage Treasures is on here. I do not work for Storage Treasures. I'm not sponsored by Storage Treasures, but I am highly interested in the items and the things that are available on here. It seems pretty interesting, and it seems like now that we're all in, locked down, so to speak, maybe not fully locked down, but some of us are, it's a pretty neat way to still be, hunting for the deal or reselling and retail arbitrage. You can still do this in the comfort of your home. For right now, you can also, if you feel like you're gonna win an auction, you can also maybe pay someone to clear out the locker for you or bring the items. It all depends on what you're trying to do, but I just wanted to present this to you that you can actually browse and see what's out there just by going online. So take a look at this website. I think it's a great resource if you're thinking about doing something like this, and it can actually be beneficial. So I hope you like videos like this, because I have plenty more coming your way. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.